Hello guys, in this video I am going to make a motorcycle headlight bulb controller using 555 and a relay. This switch is for dipper and now this bulb is on dipper position and this switch is for beam. So this is how this circuit controls the dipper and the beam. This is dipper and it is now beam. Okay, so let's get started. For this project we need 555 IC, this switch to control beam and this one for dipper. And to turn on the headlight you have to turn on the power supply. These two switches are for only beam and dipper. The beam switch is connected to pin number 2 and this one to pin number 4. And other side of the switch is connected to the ground. And with this we have to connect pull-up resistor and this is connected to plus 12 volt. The value is 10 kilo ohms. Now pin number 6 and 1, these both are connected to the ground. With pin number 5 we have to connect a 0.01 microfarad capacitor. In this circuit we don't have to use the discharge pin, that is pin number 7, and pin number 8 it is connected to the plus 12 volt. Pin number 3 is output pin and with this 10 kilo ohms resistor is connected and this IC is connected in bistable mode. This is for set and this is reset. Okay, now we need an NPN transistor. I am using BC548. Collector of the transistor is connected to plus 12 volt. And with the emitter we have to connect the cathode pin of the diode and this diode is 1N4007. And with this we have to connect one pin of the relay coil and other pin of the relay coil is connected to the ground. We need SPST relay, SPST, single pole single throw, so it has 3 pins on the other side. One is common and other two are normally closed and normally open. The common pin is connected with plus 12 volt. This bulb has 2 filaments, one for beam and other for dipper. So it has 3 output pins, one for the common pin and other 2 are for beam and the dipper. So this is the 2 coil. The middle pin, that is the common pin of the bulb or light, is connected to the ground. This is for beam. It is beam coil and it is dipper. This dipper is connected to normally closed and beam is connected to normally open. So this is the connection. After connecting plus 12 volt or turning on the power supply, this will glow. The dipper, when you press this switch, then dipper will turn off and this coil will glow up. When you press dipper, then again this will turn off and this will glow up. And the anode pin of the diode is connected to the ground. It is connected in reverse bias and it is freewheeling diode for the relay. Okay, so this is the connection. Now we'll see this on the breadboard. 555 IC, push button 1, push button 2. Pin 8 is connected to positive rail. Pin 1 and 6 are connected to the ground. With the pin 5, the capacitor is connected. Pull-up resistors are connected to the pin number 2 and 4. One pin of the push button switch is connected to the ground. This will be our beam and this will be our dipper. So this beam is connected to pin number 2 and this dipper is connected to the pin number 4. In bistable mode it is set and it is reset. Transistor 548, the first pin is collector, middle one is base and the third one is emitter. Here is the transistor. With the base 10 kilo ohms resistor is connected. Pin number 3 is connected with the 10 kilo ohms. Collector is connected with positive rail with the emitter, cathode of the diode is connected and anode is connected to negative rail. Here's the relay. As you can see, this middle one is common pin and this one is connected, so it is normally closed, and this pin is normally open. One pin of the coil is connected to the negative rail and the common pin of the relay is connected to the positive rail, and another pin of the coil is connected with the emitter of the diode. So this is the connection. Now I'll connect the bulb. The common pin of the bulb is connected with negative rail. The dipper is connected with normally closed and the beam is connected with normally open. As you can see, it is normally closed and it is normally open. Now I am turning off my light. Now to turn on the bulb, we have to connect the power supply. You can connect a switch with the power supply so that you can turn on and turn off the bulb. Now I am connecting 12 volt positive. It is deeper, so this side there is no light, but in this side, as you can see, it is full of light. This side, it is very low light in this side. I am keeping this side down and this side up. Okay. So now it is dipper and this switch is for dipper and it is beam. Dipper, beam. So this is how you can control the headlight bulb using 555 IC and with a relay. If I can show you, see, only dipper filament is glowing, the middle filament is not glowing, and if I press this switch, this filament is glowing. The camera cannot detect the dipper filament at this moment, but if I press dipper, the dipper filament is glowing. So this is how this bulb works. Okay. I am disconnecting my power supply. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.